is for angelfish, shiny and bright. B is for blue whale, what a great sight. C is for clownfish, swimming with flair. D is for dolphin, flipping in the air. E is for eel, slithering slow. F is for flounder, flat down below. G is for goby, tiny and quick. H is for hammerhead, with a head so thick. I is for isopod, deep in the sea. J is for jellyfish, floating so free. K is for krill, a small ocean snack. L is for lobster, with a hard red back. M is for manatee, gentle and round. N is for nudibranch, crawling on the ground. O is for octopus, clever and shy. P is for pufferfish, who puffs when you're nearby. Q is for queen angelfish, royal and blue. R is for ray, gliding right through. S is for seahorse, holding on tight. T is for tuna, strong in a fight. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for viperfish, deep ocean bound. W is for wrasse, cleaning all day. X is for x-ray fish, glowing on display. Y is for yellow tang, bright as the sun. Z is for zebra shark, on the ocean run.